gang, welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. It's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup. Now, the makeup look I'm going to be doing is the clean girl aesthetic, or formerly known as the no makeup look. I have been loving this look lately. I have been doing this look lately, and I am going to demonstrate this look for you guys using some new techniques that I learned from Online Makeup Academy. Now, Online Makeup Academy is sponsoring today's video, so shout out to them. Now, let's get into the makeup. Girl, so let me give you the tea. Online Makeup Academy reached out to me and offered for me to take their makeup master course to be certified as an MUA. Those of you who know me and watch my channel, you guys know that I am a nurse by profession, but makeup has always been an interest of mine. And honestly, guys, I am at a point in my life where things are changing, okay? Seats are being removed at my table. I am creating opportunities for myself. I am doing things that I love and things that I want to do. We are elevating every aspect of our life here on Pretty Girl Gang TV, okay? Like, period. For base, I'm going to just kind of spot conceal with a concealer that is my exact match, and that is the Sephora Best Skin Ever in shade 35 in, just to kind of get a smooth base. So I'm just gonna use a little bit to spot conceal some of the darker areas that I have going on. The deets on Online Makeup Academy, you guys, is that Online Makeup Academy is based in NYC. It's 100% online, which is perfect for us working girls or someone who doesn't have a lot of time to dedicate to in-person classes, which also means that it's at your own pace, because you guys know that I cannot stand being rushed to do anything, okay? So being at your own pace is something that I definitely prefer. You enroll, they have all kinds of different classes that you can take. They have like a makeup classes, they have special effects makeup, and they also have a pro hairstyling class, which I thought was really unique. If you take the master makeup course, the one that I've taken, you will receive some really good perks. So the first perk is you will receive a pro benefits card that you actually get 40% off of makeup suppliers like Friends Beauty and Nigel's, etc., you know, for you to purchase makeup and build up your makeup kit. I'm also gonna go in and create a base with a little bit of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter. This is my first time trying this out. This one is supposed to be like my shade. I feel like it's a little bit dark, but it's not that bad. I think we can make it work. Another benefit of purchasing a course from Online Makeup Academy is that once you purchase your course, you will have lifetime access to that course, which means you can always go back to listen to a lesson. And the best part of the online course is that you will definitely get certified as an MUA. Online Makeup Academy covers all ethnicities, all skin types, all face shapes, all eye shapes, and also includes how to do professional, realistic makeup. And I say realistic makeup because if you are trying to learn how to turn yourself into an ice cream, this is definitely not for you, okay? It is professional, realistic makeup. Online Makeup Academy also shows you some really great techniques to elevate your makeup application, you guys. One of the techniques I've learned in their natural makeup module is one I've been utilizing lately to get a more natural base. One of those techniques are that after you apply your foundation or your base with a brush, you guys know I use brushes because I feel like I need the fullest coverage as possible because I have skin imperfections. You actually go over it with a damp beauty sponge in order to not only take away some of the excess foundation, but to also give it a more blended, seamless look. Another technique that I learned is naturally lifting your face without having to apply heavy contour by placing your concealer in certain highest points of your face like this. and blending upwards, not downwards, because if you guys watch my tutorials or any of my makeup videos, you guys know that I'm notorious for blending my makeup downwards and kind of trying to stay into this triangle of my face down here. But the technique calls for you to blend your concealer upwards and outwards, but don't drag it too far out. You don't want to pass this part of your eye, because the further you get, the longer your face is going to look. Guys, the modules in the courses are also comprised of like very detailed demonstrations that show you how to complete a technique. You will also complete real assignments and homework, so it's very interactive and not just something you're watching like here on YouTube. I'm gonna use a little bit more of concealer because I feel like the Morphe 2 concealer is really like sheer, and I want to have not a super bright under eye, but I really just want to be a little bit brighter than what I am now. So I'm just going to use a little bit more, and I'm going to use the same technique. Just going to apply to the highest points of my face, and then we're going to blend upwards only and then outward, but not too far outward. We're just going to try to stay within this symmetry of my eye there. And in order to get a little bit more of a fuller coverage, I'm going to use a brush this time. Also, modules included in your online makeup academy courses, you guys, they're actually stuff that you really need to know. It's not just makeup techniques. So it also is comprised of sanitation practices, hygiene practices, guidelines when it comes to COVID and infection control, skin prep, how to sanitize your makeup station. I mean, the whole 9 yards. Now, something that I thought that was really special was when I did enroll into my course, I did get a personalized video message from my instructor. Her name was Alana, and it was very warm and welcoming. She actually welcomed me to the course, and she also kind of gave me a little insight of what to expect from her from the course. And I just felt like that was really like warm, personable, and welcoming. It just let me know that there is actually people on the other side of the courses, and it's not just, you know, a computer. Now for bronzer, I'm actually going to use another Halo Glow filter from e.l.f., but this is a few shades darker, and I'm going to test it out as kind of a cream bronzer, and we'll see how this goes. Ooh, and it's a really nice color, so I feel like this is going to be pretty good. Oh my goodness, and look at that. The color is just perfect. Look at that blend. It's definitely melting into the skin and making a really nice subtle bronze. Oh y'all, I really like this. Just popping on a little mascara from Merit Beauty because I'm not going to wear any falsies, and I am honestly torn, okay, between what lip shade that I should use. Well, these are all glosses. These are from ColourPop. These are some new glosses that I picked up from ColourPop. Like, look at them. They are so beautiful. I'm really not sure which one I want to use. I probably am going to use this like medium color. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, we can go with this one. Girl, seriously, if you're thinking of becoming a freelance makeup artist, or even if you just want to perfect your makeup application like I did, I would definitely recommend Online Makeup Academy's courses. I mean, for real, I feel like it's worth it because you will graduate with your MUA certification and you will receive post-graduation support. Like, let's be honest, girl, I didn't even get that in nursing school. Talk about it, okay? I didn't even get that in nursing school. So if you are interested in enrolling in any of Online Makeup Academy's courses, I will have all of the instructions and all of the info down in the description box below. I also do have a coupon code that will give you $100 off your Online Makeup Academy course. And again, thank you Online Makeup Academy for sponsoring today's video. Okay, you guys, so this is my completed look using the new techniques that I learned from Online Makeup Academy. And I must say, I am really impressed of how my face looks. I feel like the concealer trick really did naturally lift my face without having to do a bunch of contour. What do you guys think, okay? Let me know if you guys like this video by giving me a big like, subscribe me to the channel, girl, and when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.